Hi, my name is Mahesh Rao, chemistry faculty. I am having 17 years experience in NEET stream. So today discuss about buffer solutions. The solution which can resist the change in pH by the addition of the small amount of strong acid or strong base is called buffer solution. What is the buffer solution? The solution which can resist the change in pH by the addition of the small amount of strong acid or strong base. But that means the one solution you can take one solution. It is also buffer solution. It is a buffer solution. Buffer. So add acid, small amount of strong acid and a small amount of strong base is added. The pH value does not change. pH value does not change. Does not change. It is called the buffer solution. What is the buffer solution? The solution definition. The solution which can resist. The solution which can resist change in pH. Change in pH by the addition of small amount of addition of small amount of acid or base is added is called buffer solution. The solution which can resist the change in pH by the addition of small amount of acid or base is added. That solution is also called the buffer solution. Buffer solution. What are the types of buffer solutions are classified into mainly? The buffer solutions are classified into mainly two types. Mainly two types. First one is simple buffer solution. Second one is mixed buffer solution. The simple buffer which contains only one component. The mixed buffer which contains two components. So one component means one salt or one acid, any one. Second solution is also called the simple buffer. Mixed buffer which contains two components, acid and salt. So both mixed each other. It is also known as mixed buffer. So what is simple buffer? Example, it is a salt solution. The salt solution. The salt obtained from weak acid and weak acid react with weak base. The salt obtained from weak acid react with weak base. For example, weak acid, acetic acid, and weak base, the ammonium hydroxide, both are react with each other. So ammonium acetate, H3COO, NH4. So weak acid is acetic acid, weak base is ammonium hydroxide, both are react with each other to produce salt. The salt solution acts as a simple buffer. Another example, formic acid. Formic acid react with ammonium hydroxide to form ammonium formate. For example, carbonic acid. The carbonic acid react with ammonium hydroxide to form the ammonium carbonate, NH4 twice CO3. For example, the carbonic acid is a weak acid, the ammonium hydroxide is a weak base. Both are react with each other to form ammonium carbonate. These are also known as simple buffer. Second one is mixed buffers. The mixed buffers are two types. Again, classified into two types. First one is acidic buffer. Second one is basic buffer. The acidic buffer, which contains weak acid and salt of its, the mixture of the weak acid and salt of its strong base. The weak acid and salt. The salt obtained from the weak acid react with salt of its strong base. For example, acetic acid. The acetic acid to form salt. The salt is obtained from strong base. The weak acid, acetic acid react to strong base means all alkali metal hydroxides are strong bases. That is sodium hydroxide. The acetic acid react with sodium hydroxide to form CH3COO salt. The equimolar mixture of weak acid, salt of its strong base, that is also acts as a acidic buffer. Other example, the formic acid, SCOOH, weak acid. Formic acid is weak acid. The potassium formate, HCOOK, potassium hydroxide. Now H2CO3, H2CO3, it is a weak acid. React with sodium hydroxide, salt obtained. It's react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium carbonate, salt. So it is also known as acidic buffers. Next, basic buffer. Similarly, basic buffer, the mixture of the weak base, and the salt of its, the mixture of salt of its strong acid. The weak base, for example, ammonium hydroxide, weak base. So react with strong acid HCl. So to form a salt, which salt can be obtained? NH4Cl. The weak base and ammonium chloride. Another example, ammonium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid, ammonium sulfate, NH4 twice SO4. These are examples for the weak acid and weak base and salt of its strong acid. It is also known as. So one example questions is there. Which of the following is acidic buffer? Example for acidic buffer. In NEET entrances, one example. Which of the following example for acidic buffer? Example. So you can ask acidic buffer. You can choose the acidic buffer is a mixed buffer. You can choose the weak acid and salt of its strong base. So four options is given. First option is CH3COO Second option is B, NaCl plus HCl. Third option C, CH3COOH plus CH3COONa. Fourth option, ammonium hydroxide plus ammonium chloride. So which of the following is? It is a salt obtained from the weak acid and weak base. It is only simple buffer. Simple, not acidic buffer. So NaCl, strong acid, NaCl. The mixture of strong acid and strong base, salt of strong base do not act as a buffer. It is a weak acid. Acidic acid is weak acid and it's react with sodium hydroxide to form salt, sodium acetate. This is salt. The mixture of weak acid, salt of its strong base. Weak acid, you can choose the weak acid. The mixture which contains weak acid and salt of its strong base. So it is also acidic buffer. Next one, fourth one is acidic buffer. The third option is correct. And fourth one is ammonium hydroxide, weak base, salt of its. Ammonium chloride is a salt of its strong acid. So it is a basic buffer. The same question is given. Then basic buffer, which of the following example for basic buffer is fourth option. Which of the following example for the simple buffer is first option. Which of the following acts as a acidic buffer? Third option. Which of the following do not act as a buffer? It is also known as a second option. There are also different models for examples for the buffer solutions. Okay, thank you.